Hey creators! Ready to tag products and earn commissions on YouTube? Learn how to tag products in your videos the right way. Let's dive in. Start with the standard upload process. Locate and upload your video. In the description box, click Product. Click the pencil icon to add product. On the Tag Products page, search for the item you want to feature. Click the bookmark icon to save the item. Click the plus icon to select it. You can choose up to 30 products. Click the trash icon to remove an item. When your list is ready, click Next. Place the product tag on the video timeline. Click Done to finish tagging. Tagged products now appear in the video description. Alternatively, products can be tagged on the Video Elements tab. Go to the Tag Products section to add or edit the list. The rest of the procedure is the same. In YT Studio, click Content in the left panel. Select a video to edit. On the right panel, look for the Products card. Or in Video Description, click Product. Click the pencil icon to open the product picker. Search and add the desired product. Click Next. Tag your product. The product has been tagged in the video.